You guys are gonna notice a theme here. If you haven't noticed, well, you don't notice it yet, but you'll notice here in a second. Lady power. Like I told you guys in the 5 day challenge, y'all didn't believe me. In the 5 day challenge, what did I say? I said for the first 6, 8 months, it was only women who wanted contracts in my mentorship program. I don't know. Right now, there's kind of a theme going on. We'll see what happens. But this person just called me today, and she didn't know she was gonna be here tonight. I was like, let me just message her and see if she can come up tonight. She called me today to say, Wesley, I want another one. All right, just come to the winner circle tonight so we can talk. Without further ado, Miss Chrissy. Miss Chrissy,
Yeah.
look at you. Where are you at? I know you're not even at home. Where are you at right now?
No, I'm at home.
You're at home. You're not in front of the computer. You're on the phone.
I'm on my phone.
Hey, I appreciate you joining last minute. This group right here. You don't even know. This is the last 5 day group. So they just finished the 5 day last week, and this is just a bonus day. We got a lot of people here that just finished watching me for a week, and now they're like either in the mentorship program or thinking about it. But anyway, share who you are, what you've done. I know, share your story because you attended the 5 day months ago. I think it was 6 months ago, 7 months ago, and share what happened for you.
Hi, everyone. I'm Chrissy. I attended Wes's 5 day in November, and it was life-changing for me. As soon as I finished that 5 day, I was like, I have to join the mentorship program. So I joined right away. And 30 days later, probably a little less than that, I won my first contract. And then 3 days after that, I won my second contract. And and then after that, I am known for being the product queen because I love products. So I love submitting with products. But then me also being in Wes's program, he introduced us to Tom Collins, who is amazing. And we have a call every Thursday at 6 in the morning. And he told me, hey, you really should start submitting to services. I started submitting more to services, and then I won my second service contract today.
Let's go. So that's four or five.
Three.
I wasn't sure. It's 4 or 5. Three contracts.
Hey, 2 more are coming though.
And you know what's funny? I know you're thinking it's a great amount, but you was like, oh, it's a small one. It's a small. I'm like, what is it? It's not a small. My point is though, it's not small. Because tell them about it. It's not small at all.
No, it's not. So my profit is $5K for 2 days of work. And I've never made $5,000 in 2 days of work.
In 2 days?
Longer.
That's great. And she told me, she's like, well, Wes, it's kind of a small one. Because I mean, you made some good money in it already. Yeah. You're like, this is kind of small. I'm like, well, what is it? She's like, well, it's flag training or something. It's like 2 days, $5,000. Some people work like over a month to make $5,000, right? Full time. $5,000, and that's profit. $5,000 for 2 days worth of work is the profit. What is it? Tell them about it. What is it?
So my contract is actually called traffic management. It's for an air show in New Mexico. And all my sub is doing is teaching the volunteers there how to direct traffic into the parking lot and out of the parking lot for 2 days.
Like parking the cars or parking the planes?
No, parking the cars. Because there's an air show, they need to direct people where to park. That's all my stuff is doing, is just directing the volunteers to teach them where to go.
Teach them how to tell cars where to park for 2 days. Make $5,000.
And I don't have to be in New Mexico.
You forgot that. And I remember earlier we had a phone call. I said, Chrissy, where is it located at? She was like, give me a second. And that's okay. I ask that all the time. People are like, where is it at? Because you're in New Jersey, right?
I'm in Jersey.
You're in New Jersey. So, your contract's in New Mexico.
Yes.
Really close by, right? Real close by, right?
No, just around the corner.
Just around the corner. Now it's around the corner. All right. What's up, guys? Hey, don't click away. Oh yeah, you can't. This is not an ad. This is my actual channel. So listen, guys, if you want to work with me and actually do government contracting with me, guess what? There's an opportunity to do that. You can apply for a phone call with me and my team. All you got to do is check the link in this bio or check the link below or go to www.thecontractingblueprint.com. We'll do a free 45-minute call with you, and we can see if we can help you get started in government contract. All right, go ahead, get back to the video. 2 days worth of work, flag training or whatever, parking lot training. How's it feel?
It feels amazing, Wes. It feels absolutely amazing. I was actually down on myself today because I felt like I wasn't doing enough. I just got LASIK surgery, so the one day I was like, I haven't submitted anything. I can't see anything.
Oh no.
So after my surgery, I was like, I did not submit today. I have to submit, and got my submittals in. And then I got the the email today. I actually called the CEO today to check up on it because I didn't hear anything. And I submitted this back in March, like early time March. And he was like, "Oh, yeah, we're looking over the quotes. We haven't made a decision yet, but we'll definitely let you know." And I'm like, "Hey, no worries. Thank you so much." And then he emails me 2 hours later. He's like, "Congratulations. Here's your award letter."
Just like that.
Yeah, yeah.
He knew what was going on. He knew what was
I know
going
he should
on.
have just told me on the phone.
Yeah, he could have just told you. He just didn't want to.
Yeah.
Tell them about what were the other two that you won. What were they for?
So my first contract was for services as well as hotels, and then my second it was for lodging, and then my second contract that I won was actually suicide doors. It was procurement for the Veterans Hospital in Philadelphia.
Wow.
So yeah, that one it really touched my heart. I come from a military family, so when I won that one, oh my gosh, that one was amazing.
Really? That's awesome.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's awesome. That's awesome. And are you said I don't know when we first met, was your husband deployed at the time or something? Was he?
He was out on a mission. So yeah, my
Oh,
husband's in the military. And when we first were talking, I was just like, I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but
yeah.
I'm gonna do it. And I did it and I won. I want to say it only took me like 20 something days when I won my first contract. And then
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
3 days later I won my other one. And I'm like, whoa, this is real. Like,
Mm-hmm. But it's real. And then but here's the thing, it's
yeah,
a numbers game, right? How many did you
it is.
submit? How many did you submit now? Probably a lot, I'm guessing. A whole lot.
All together, I've submitted over 90 since
Mm-hmm.
November. But when I first won my first one, I submitted 14. And then when I won my second one, I submitted 17. So it also depends on, I feel like, what you're also submitting for. Because I was submitting heavy on products, which
Mm-hmm.
is a little bit more competitive than I would say services. Because with services, janitorial is not going to be the same as the government buying toilet paper,
Right.
So yeah.
Right. Right. And then plus everyone could just present their pricing. So the pricing is just gonna
Right.
be, you're gonna be fighting.
Exactly.
Yeah, gonna be fighting to the
Yeah.
bottom with pricing on that. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Yep, he's actually over here right now. You want to say hi, honey?
I was saying I ain't never met him. Hey honey. Hey, what's up, man? Nice to meet you.
I've seen your face all the time and hear your voice all the time.
Okay. Hey, it's good to finally meet you, man. You got a rock star right there. How's it feel?
Yes, it's amazing. I'm glad to see her happy. I'm glad to see her feel motivated when she gets up every day to get after it again. And obviously something that she's sticking with because she's finding enjoyment, finding progression. So I'm just proud of her. Keep doing everything she's doing.
And it's life changing, babe.
Yeah. Yeah.
We can go on vacation now.
Yeah.
It's so amazing.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. It was nice meeting you, man. It's awesome. It's awesome.
Nice to meet you, Dr. West.
Yes, yes. No worries, no worries. Yeah, first time I met him. Okay, cool. Well, hey, any tips you would tell folks? I mean, about I don't know about your about what you've done, the mentorship program, anything. Any tips you want to share with them? Go for it.
Yeah, I would definitely say if you guys are on the fence, you're not sure, definitely join the mentorship program. Dr. West, like he teaches us everything from A to Z and even in between. Like if you have any questions, his team is amazing. The students are amazing. And really, if I can do it, anyone can do it. That's always what I say. Follow what he says. It's so simple. And I feel like even when I first started, I made it so complicated. I tried to do Canva with my proposals and make it look nice. And no, it's just simple. Simple, simple, simple. And I follow everything that Dr. West says to do. And now I won another contract. So I'm telling you guys, it's real. It works. Trust in Dr. West and you'll be
Thank
fine.
you. Thank you. I appreciate that. I really appreciate it. And I love what you said. You try to use Canva. I tell these folks, these folks are brand new. They don't believe me. I promise y'all are going to do so much to make this look pretty. And what's my cover letter got to look like? Should I use 12-point font or 13-point font? Or how should I make this look or that look? I'm just like, did you press send on the email yet? No, I didn't send it yet.
Exactly. And Dr. West, even the one that I won today, it was just a price. I didn't submit a technical. I didn't submit a capability statement. They just wanted to know how much is it going to cost. And I just submitted it. That's it.
That's hilarious. Carrie, the one that Carrie won, same thing. Just submitted a price.
Yeah.
That's
no technical.
No technical.
It was just how much is it going to cost for us to have this air show and your people to come. I put the price and I won. That's it.
That's
People cut
crazy.
the butter, nothing.
That's crazy. And I
That's
tell
the
people all the
price.
time, price, past performance, technical, but these two examples right here, you just submitted a price. You just told the government
Yeah.
how much and you won the contract.
And I almost didn't submit for this, which is also crazy.
Why? What happened?
Because I thought I couldn't find it. I didn't know until I had to do more research of what they were actually looking for. I never heard of flaggers or, any traffic management people, especially in New Mexico. So I had to do more research, and it took me a little bit longer, but I found them. And then I just submitted. I contacted them. I said, hey, can you do this? Are you available on these days? They said, yes. This is how much it's going to cost. Great. Thank you. And then submitted. And I let my sub know today, hey, we won.
Awesome. You say you more than double. You like triple the price. Huh? You think you were telling me?
Yeah.
Why not?
It's not expensive, I guess, for traffic management.
I'm assuming it's not a lot of money to go out there and tell people to park cars. So you're like, I'm just going to triple the price, so it'll be worth your time. And it's okay, y'all. That's a good point though. When I talk about double and tripling, that's like a good example. Like I'm sure the flag down cars is not that expensive, so you're probably like, for it to be worth your time, let me go ahead and just triple the price.
Right.
And you won the contract. So now you make $5,000 for 2 days.
Yep.
Enough said. All right, cool. Thanks for being here. I got nothing else. Thanks, Chrissy.
Good luck, guys.
Awesome. Thank you for being here. Awesome. All right. I think you guys are getting the point. I hope you guys are getting the point. Are you guys getting the point? Now, the people who said earlier that you didn't submit, are you going to submit now? Yes or no in the chat? And give me some head nods going. Oh, now you're going to submit. So now you're going to Google a number and say, well, the government wants fencing. According to Google, it's like $10 a foot. No, I'll just submit it for $20 a foot and see what happens. You guys get it now, huh? Okay, just making sure. Just make sure this is getting through. It's not like I haven't said it for like the last 5 days, but it's okay. It's all right. It's the first time y'all hearing it. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Hey, please, if you guys could, thumbs up, hit the like button, all that good stuff, and please subscribe. And if you guys could, share this with somebody, man. If you know someone who this can benefit, someone who can get started in government contracting, please share the video, guys. So subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.